Good morning, how's everyone doing today? Well, hope you're having a great day. I wanted to do a video today quickly. It's a video that I didn't really want to have to do. But as you know, I gotta have a farm stand down at the end of the road. It's not set up today, nor it will be for a while. Yesterday it was set up and I had a bunch of stuff out there. I had like a bunch of carrots, maple syrup, what else, my salad mix, a lot of things. And when I went down to that at the end of the day, there was the same amount of money in there as there was when I started the day off with. So after 3 years of having a farm stand on the honor system, we were robbed here at the farm, which is a little disappointing because a lot of people rely on our little farm stand. They tell us how much they love it and stop by. We have honestly a lot of customers that come by weekly, daily, just to pick up the fresh veggies there. So a little disappointed. We do have a tent city about 3 kilometers north of us. And I've been noticing lately that a lot of them have been walking this way past year or so, hitchhiking and whatever. So I'm not saying it's them, and I'm not saying it's a customer that probably didn't pay, because I've never had an issue with customers not paying. So I'm going with the first part. It's probably them, or just someone who desperately needs it. I've always said that if someone has to take something off my farm stand and not pay for it, they need it more than I do, which is, as you guys know, we have a beautiful farm here. We have everything we need. But it's still disappointing when it's close to 45 bucks that was taken, and for us that doesn't seem like much money, but in the long run that pays for a bag of feed for chickens, pays for, you know, some of the seeds for the season. So it does add up if you start taking money like that. So for right now, farm stand is down until I feel comfortable putting up again. I might try next week, or I might just do sporadic days just to throw people off and see what happens. Anyways, hope you guys are having a great week. I just wanted to throw that little update up, and yeah, we were robbed. What can you do? Anyways, guys, hope you're doing well. Have a great day. Subscribe to our channel. We'll see you out there.